Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dimple Yadav, and in today's video, I am super excited to show you my first portfolio website made only with HTML and CSS. It's a single yet creative site that displays my skills, education, and personal information as a web developer. So let's begin. See, it is my homepage of my portfolio. I have added a nice background image with my name Dimple Yada and the title web developer. uh, I have at the top you can see a navigation bar with links like home, about me, skill, mission and vision, education and contact. This helps visitors move smoothly to each session like this. Now let's in the about me session. I have written a short introduction about myself. It is I am a passionate web developer who loves learning and building new things. On the right side here, I have added my image for a personal touch. The background and font give it a neat and creative look. Uh, Here's a skill. I'll listed my key skills: uh, creativity, time management, teamwork, adaptability, communication, and positive attitude. Uh, Alongside, there's a short paragraph describing these qualities. Describing these qualities, this session shows what kind of person I am beyond my coding skills. In uh, in this session, I have shared my goals and future plans. My mission is to keep learning new technologies and improve daily. My vision is to become a confident, creative web developer who builds meaningful websites. I have used a gray background with white text for a single balanced look. Next is my education session. I have added details my 10th from Government Higher Secondary School Pangsua and 12th from Ken Memorial Mission Higher Secondary School Mudapara. I also include education related images to make it looks more lively. Here's the uh, contact session. One of the most important parts, I include my email, and my address. Beside it, there's a simple contact form for visitors to send message directly. It makes the site look interactive and personal. At the bottom, I have added a footer that says presented by Dimple Yadav. It stays fixed and gives a clean finishing touch to my website. Now that you have seen the website, let's go through the HTML and CSS code that makes it work. Guys, here is my HTML. At the top, I wrote doc type HTML. It tells the browser I am using HTML5. Inside HTML, I set language English. In the head, In the head session, I added meta tags for character set and viewport to make it mobile friendly and linked my external CSS file style.css. Then the body session where the visible content begins. I created I a header with a nav that holds all the navigation links. Each A tag connects to different sessions using IDs like home, about me, etc. When I used main to hold all session home, about, skill, mission and vision, education and contact, every session inside a div with an ID for styling. Finally, the footer displays my name, stays fixed at the bottom. That's the full HTML structure of my site. Now let's check the CSS part. It's it design and beauty. It is my CSS part. For the at the top, I used this selector to remove margin and padding. The body covers the full width. The body covers the full width. For the header, I used position fixed so it stays visible while scrolling. Flexbox I used to align the navigation links. In the home section, I added a background image and uh, correct and centered the text using Flexbox. For the about section, For the About Me session, I added a background image and centered the text using Flexbox. For the About session, I used Display Flex to place text and image side by side and added border radius to round image corners. In in skill session, in skill session, Flexbox is used again for two columns, one for skill names and one for their description. Mission and vision, mission and vision share a gray background with large relatable text with large relatable text. The education session has light background and rounded images using border radius 20 pixel. In the contact session, in the contact session, I added a background image styled input boxes with rounded corners and a blue sent message bottom. The footer has black background. See, this is footer. The footer has black background with text and it is fixed at the bottom using position fixed bottom 0. So that was my complete portfolio website using only HTML and CSS.